by placing the needles along the meridians and the acupuncture points. The needles are sterile, they're disposable. Acupuncture can increase pregnancy rates in infertility patients by promoting overall wellness and balancing the body and increasing the just a stress reduction of the patient, increasing the immune response of the patient, reducing inflammation with the patient because they've had to go through wanting to get pregnant for months or years, and they need some place to go and relax and help with their stress. That's the number one success rate of acupuncture. So the acupuncture needle has a guide tube. And they're sterile and disposable. And this type of acupuncture needle is very thin, hair-like, very flexible, very slight feeling of insertion.
IVF patients can consider using acupuncture in conjunction with their IVF treatments because there have been several benefits that have been noted by not only physicians but also in the literature. Many of our patients find that the stress that's associated with infertility is overwhelming. And stress does release certain hormones that can be counterproductive to pregnancy. When our patients seek care and undergo acupuncture, many of them find a tremendous reduction in their stress levels. And this is extremely helpful, not only in allowing them to undergo the treatment successfully, but also to be able to handle the additional stresses as they come along as part of the treatment.
The needles that are placed in the abdomen are to the conceptual channel of the body, and basically by surrounding the abdomen and the umbilicus, we're increasing blood circulation and warming the area.
All women who are struggling with infertility are good candidates for considering the use of acupuncture in conjunction with their IVF treatments. This is not to say that all women require acupuncture, but rather that it may have beneficial effects, specifically in reducing stress, which is so common in all women who are undergoing IVF and all couples who are facing infertility. So that factor alone is extremely important. In addition, there may be benefits such as increasing the endometrial lining thickness. The endometrial lining thickness is important because this is where the embryo implants. And so if there is the potential to enhance that, then certainly that would be a positive from acupuncture as well. I think overall, the most important thing that we can do in trying to move forward with helping patients become pregnant is to give them the best emotional, physical, psychological support. And acupuncture certainly is an important component that may help all of three of those things. I think what's wonderful about medicine today is that we recognize that there are many forms of treating patients that have positive benefits, and that we don't have to say, I'm practicing Eastern medicine, I'm practicing Western medicine, but that we can collaborate so that we get the best outcome for our patients, and we both reach the mutual goal of helping our patients become pregnant.
Right. And I like how the patients, our patients, RE's patients and the acupuncturist patient can feel comfortable telling each other that they're seeing the acupuncturist, they're going to the RE, and being able to share their whole experience. So it is a whole person approach, basically.
Absolutely. I think years ago people would come into my office and say, I don't know if I should tell you, but I'm seeing an acupuncturist, and I'm sure that some felt, well, I don't want to tell my acupuncturist that I've given up using her, that I'm going to the RE.
Exactly.
And so it's great that we can both work together, as I was saying before, to give the patient the best outcome.
Right.
And these really are not opposing forms of medicine.
No.
Especially when the patient understands that it's important to do their research, to know which acupuncturist they're going to, to know that their acupuncturist understands what's going on with their fertility and has a specific knowledge about that.
Exactly. That they acknowledge that the acupuncture acknowledges the Western viewpoint along with the Eastern viewpoint, and it's a meshing of the two worlds.
We've had so many patients together who have undergone acupuncture, undergone their IVF, and have healthy children, and really have gone through the fertility part of it in one piece, because they've had that area to go to, that quiet serenity that has helped them.
Right.
So I think that has made it occur so that not only are they getting pregnant, but also that they're able to get pregnant in a way that keeps them intact emotionally.
Exactly.
Which is important.
Exactly.